southern Oklahoma until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service radar indicated severe thunderstorms along the line extending from Scullin to Turner Falls, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazards in the warning include hail up to the size of quarters, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour, excessive rainfall. Locations in the warning include Davis, Doherty, Hickory, Lake of the Arbuckles, Scullin, Sulphur, and Turner Falls. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 47 and 56.